Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 I'm like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, they got me pipe.
I'm feeling great, I really am. Been a long time coming. This part of training is the nice bit because all the hard work is done. From the start of camp to the end, it's been 11 weeks. So we've 10 weeks of really hard work and then just a week of tapering off. So it's in the bank, you know. I've hit all my numbers, reached all my targets, got the rounds in, got a good strength and conditioning program in, and just managed to have good track sessions, and everything is kind of falling into place for me, you know. Getting through camp is a challenge in itself, making sure you don't pick up any injuries or knocks along the way, and because that's part and parcel of professional sport too, especially sport as strenuous as boxing, you know. I've watched a bit of him, watched a bit of his footage. I give him his credit, I give him his due. I really respect him. He's a good record, 13-1. He's also the French champion, you know, and France is a very strong boxing nation, you know, but there's areas that I think I can expose, and we've been working on that over the last 10, 11 weeks throughout training camp, and it's all about becoming the best Eric Donovan, you know, on the night, and delivering the best performance that I can deliver. And I believe Eric Donovan at his best is better than El Hadri at his best. People don't see the hard work behind the scenes. They don't see the lengths that I had to go to in order to get into this position. It's in the shadows, behind the scenes, where all the hard work, the grit, the tears, the blood, the sweat, they're all going, you know, and you come through all of the knocks and all of the adversity and all of the tests. And it's really all just for one thing, to try and get that prize. You know, I've overcome a lot of adversity, went down the wrong road many times, and I'm so grateful to have a second chance at life, but also to have a second chance at my boxing career, you know, and not everybody gets that second chance, you know, so I'm trying to really embrace it and savor every moment of it. To be fighting in front of a home crowd is just, it really is a dream come true. I used to dream of nights like this, to fight for a continental title, a major title, in front of your home nation and in front of all your home fans. This is going to be the first time for him to box outside of France. You know, he's had all of his fights, all of his career in the home corner, so it's going to be a big step for him out of his comfort zone and into the lion's den, so to speak, and I'm going to have the whole, you know, country in my corner. I've studied, I've done the work, I've done the homework, I've done the research, I put the graft in, so I know when I walk to that ring, I'm ready. I'm ready, and I hope El Hadri is too, because I'm ready to go to a dark place to win that title.